lift your, lift that hand. Yep, great. Put that hand to the hat. I was like, I can't figure out what hand that is. Rotate it a little bit more to the back. Yeah. Now look this way. You can keep your hand there, that looks good. Yeah. Hold that right there. 1, 2, and 3. Come forward. Yeah. And then put that hand like to your chin, like a natural, like a natural way maybe. Yeah, hold that. Yeah, like the meaning. That's good. 1, 2, and 3. Hold your face. Alright. Don't squint. Yeah. So count it off. 1, or look. Yeah.
3.
Nice. Happen to casually look over to the other shoulder. Oh god.
Hey, Jimmy.
Step right here. Yep. Yeah. Hold that. 1, 2. There's a shadow on that. Lift this side a little bit. One, 2, and 3. Nice. And 3. You're in thought. Alright. Okay, good thoughts. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Okay, so this time, look at it. Put both hands in your hair. Yeah, hold that. Nice. 1, 2. Keep your eye looking at it. And 3. Actually, 3. At sunlight. 1, 2, 3. All right, and 1, 2, and 3.
at the camera or away?
Look at the camera. Act like you're looking past the camera, like you see something I don't. 1, 2, 3. Like you see, I don't know, something you like to see. What do you like to see? Okay. Take your own. And 1, 2, and so I have to keep it real. This Minolta SRT 200 did better than I thought it would. I had some serious concerns going into the shoot because there was some light dusting inside of the lens here. Y'all saw me when I was cleaning this camera. I'll link that video below, part 2 of the Boss series for buying cameras on eBay. But I was like legit getting in there and just going hard on the cleaning detail. I was particularly focused on the lens a lot of times. It's not the shit that makes me hear like those chimes or that like ha sound, you know, that sound you hear in the movies when you find the Holy Grail or something. It's like, yeah, it didn't sound like that, or it didn't give me that feeling. Going into this shoot, I was happy to be testing it because I really wanted to see how well this lens would be performing, and it did better than I thought it would. You guys have seen the pictures, I've seen the photos. I'm more than happy with results, as the photos speak for themselves with how well this camera performs, and it was definitely a good buy for me off of eBay. Handling this camera was very easy. It feels good in the hand. It has some good weight on it. It definitely has like a solidly built feel to it. The light meter on the camera does work, even though I didn't use it while taking the photos. I typically don't when I'm shooting portraits. I've had some bad experiences. I like to get in there with my own external light meter and make sure my light is looking just right. It's a super easy to use camera, has that classic look to it and everything. Classic look, simple, nothing too distracting. You're gonna just take photos on this one, and I think it's great. If I had to rate this eBay outing for this camera, I would classify it as a success at this point. I feel like I have successfully found a quality beginner SLR camera for under $50 on eBay, and win-win over here. I am happy with the results, and you know, I'm so happy with the results of this eBay buy that I want to share my joy. I want to share my joy with my subscribers. So with that being said, I'm going to give this camera away. I'm going to give this camera away to one of my subscribers, and I wanted to give it to a subscriber who either is new to film photography, doesn't have an SLR camera, or wants to get into the Minolta SLR cameras. If you're interested in winning this camera, here's what you should do. Like this video, number 1. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Comment down below and tell me why you would like to own this Minolta, and share this video with a friend. That's it. If you do all 4 things, you are successfully entered to win this Minolta SRT 200. You can enter this giveaway up until August 24th, and then that week I'll be announcing the winner of my Minolta SRT 200 giveaway. Talya gifts. Talya gives back. And I'm going to give back to one of you guys to show my appreciation for you rocking with me on my channel. I feel all warm and fuzzy inside when I give stuff away. I feel good. Kind of like when I buy stuff for a really good buy. I feel endorphins are just, they're floating off. All right, you guys, if you haven't done so yet, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and come back next week because you know I'll be back with another one. All right, y'all. Peace. Helicopter. All day long. They just fly like, I know gas for helicopters is not cheap, but they fly like it doesn't cost them anything.